By the end of this video, you will know how to record a loan repayment in Wave. Start from your Wave account and make sure the correct business is selected before you go any further. If you manage more than one business in Wave, this matters because the transaction needs to be recorded in the right set of books. Take a moment to check that you are in the business where the loan payment belongs. Once that is set, go to the left-hand menu and click Accounting. From there, click Transactions. This will open the list of imported and recorded transactions for the business you selected. Now find the transaction that shows the loan repayment leaving your bank account. You are looking for the payment that matches the amount withdrawn for that loan payment. When you have found it, click the transaction to open the details. Inside the transaction details, click Split Transaction. This is the part that allows you to divide one payment into separate pieces, so the loan principal and the interest are recorded in the correct accounts instead of being grouped together as one expense. For the principal portion, select the liability account that represents the loan in your chart of accounts. This is important because the principal part of a loan payment reduces what you owe, rather than creating an expense. After choosing that liability account, enter the amount from the payment that was applied to the loan principal. Next, move to the remaining portion of the split and select the appropriate interest expense account. This part of the payment reflects the borrowing cost, so it should be categorized separately from the balance of the loan itself. Enter the amount of the payment that represents loan interest. Before saving, confirm that the split amounts add up to the full loan repayment shown in the original transaction. This check helps make sure the entire payment has been accounted for and that neither the principal nor the interest amount has been overstated or left short. If the total does not match the transaction amount, review the figures you entered and adjust them so the split equals the full payment. When everything looks correct, save or confirm the transaction to record the loan repayment in Wave. That records the principal against the loan liability account and the interest against your interest expense account based on the amounts you entered. Thanks for watching. Your loan repayment is now recorded in Wave with the principal and interest entered separately.